In this 1-minute marketer video, I'll be walking you through the first part of the Molecular Viewer Smartwork5 question for you in the same manner that you would in a call with one of your biochemistry prospects. Hello, instructor. I'm excited that you want to learn more about our Molecular Viewer questions in Smartwork5. As I mentioned before, we are the only publisher to be able to provide a full functioning molecular viewer integrated directly into our homework system. You'll notice that the molecule looks just like figure 7.9 that I just showed you in the text, so that your students get a seamless and consistent experience between the book and their homework. This question has multiple parts. I'm going to do part 1, which is a low-level question to show you basic functionality of the viewer. This type of question is also useful for your students to help them get comfortable with manipulating the molecules inside of this question type. All of the instructions needed to answer this question are given, and it's just a few simple clicks to manipulate this molecule. Coming back up to the molecule, I'm first going to go to this menu in the upper right corner and click View and then Sequence View. You'll notice that this puts the amino acid sequence along the bottom. I'm going to highlight this stretch here in red. When I do that, you'll notice a bunch of green X's appear on the screen, indicating what I've highlighted. To make it a little easier to view that, I'm going to go back to the menu, go to Color By, and then select Custom, and then just click OK. Now you'll notice that that area that I've highlighted is shown in red, making it very clear what I've just highlighted. Coming back down to the question itself, the question very simply wants me to ask, what structure did you just highlight? I'm going to purposefully answer this incorrectly because I'd like to show you the way that feedback is built into Smartwork5. You'll notice that because I've answered the question incorrectly, the system gives me feedback based on that misconception, helping me work towards that correct answer. I'm going to go back and try again, and this time get it correct. You'll notice that even when the answer is correct, students also get feedback specific to that correct answer, helping them to reinforce the answer right here in that moment when they're working on the question. At this point, I'm going to let you try the rest of the question. Parts 2 and 3 are more in-depth critical thinking style questions, very similar to the types of questions that will accompany the Smartwork5 homework for each chapter. They probe at structure-function relationships and get students thinking like a biochemist. As you attempt this part of the question, the hint panel will give you the step-by-step instructions in case you want some guidelines. Having now shown you this question type, you would want to ask your prospects for their initial impressions and how they envision potentially using this in their course. With a little practice, this demo will quickly become second nature to you. Don't forget that you have resources available to help you demo this question, including a quick reference ClickPath document, as well as a detailed demo script that includes things like qualifying questions to ask. Both of these documents are posted on Confluence. As always, let Team Bio know if there's anything we can do to help.